If you are over 60, there is something happening inside your arteries right now that you cannot feel. No pain, no warning, just a slow buildup that could be affecting your blood flow while you sleep tonight. Most people think artery problems announce themselves with chest pain or shortness of breath, but research suggests that arterial stiffness and plaque buildup often develops silently for years before any symptom appears. By the time most people notice something is wrong, the process has already been happening for a long time. Here's the good news. Your body does most of its repair work while you sleep. Blood pressure naturally dips at night. Blood vessels relax. And what you drink in the hours before bed may either support this natural process or work against it. In this video, we are going to walk through 7 drinks that may help support clean, flexible arteries while you sleep. These are not random suggestions. Each one is backed by nutrition research, and each one is easy to make with ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. Now let's get into it. Drink number 1 might surprise you. Tart cherry juice. Tart cherry juice has become popular among sleep researchers for one main reason. It is one of the few natural food sources of melatonin, the hormone your body uses to regulate sleep. But here is what most people do not know. Tart cherries are also rich in anthocyanins, a type of antioxidant compound that gives the cherries their deep red color. Research published in nutrition journals has linked anthocyanins to improved blood vessel function and reduced markers of inflammation. Chronic low-grade inflammation is one of the key factors researchers associate with arterial stiffness over time. By potentially reducing this inflammation, tart cherry juice may support more flexible, healthier blood vessels. A study conducted at the University of Delaware found that participants who drank tart cherry juice for several weeks experienced improvements in sleep duration compared to those who did not. Better sleep quality itself is associated with healthier blood pressure patterns, since blood pressure is meant to drop during deep sleep stages. A 1-ounce serving of concentrated tart cherry juice typically contains around 60 to 65 calories, roughly 13 to 15 grams of natural sugar, and potassium, which helps regulate healthy blood pressure levels. It also contains vitamin C, which supports blood vessel wall strength, and a naturally occurring amount of melatonin, generally estimated between 0.1 and 0.3 milligrams per serving, which may support nighttime blood pressure dipping. The anthocyanins that give tart cherries their deep red color are flavonoids that may help reduce vascular inflammation. To prepare this drink, mix about 1 ounce of concentrated tart cherry juice with 8 ounces of water. Drink it around 1 hour before bed. Number 2, warm beetroot juice. Beets are one of the most talked about foods in circulation research, and for good reason. Beetroot is naturally high in dietary nitrates, compounds your body converts into nitric oxide. Nitric oxide plays a critical role in vascular health. It helps blood vessels relax and widen, a process called vasodilation. Wider, more relaxed blood vessels may support smoother blood flow and healthier blood pressure levels. A study published in the journal Hypertension found that beetroot juice consumption was associated with reduced blood pressure readings in participants, an effect researchers attributed largely to its nitrate content. Drinking beetroot juice warm, rather than cold, in the evening may feel more soothing before bed and is easier on the stomach for some people. To prepare it, warm 4 ounces of beet juice gently on the stove, and consider adding a slice of fresh ginger for flavor and digestive comfort. Avoid adding sugar. Nutritionally, a 4-ounce serving of beetroot juice generally provides around 35 to 40 calories, roughly 7 to 8 grams of natural sugar, and potassium, close to 200 milligrams, which helps balance sodium and support healthy blood pressure. It also contains folate, which supports healthy blood vessel tissue, and vitamin C, which protects vessel walls from oxidative damage. But the real headline here is the nitrate content, typically ranging from 250 to 350 milligrams per serving, depending on how the beets were grown. This nitrate is what your body converts step by step into nitric oxide, the compound directly responsible for helping arteries relax and widen for smoother blood flow. One thing to note, beets may cause your urine or stool to appear pink or red. This is completely normal and harmless, simply a pigment called betalain passing through your system. Number 3, hibiscus tea. Hibiscus tea has a deep ruby color and a tart, cranberry-like flavor that many people enjoy in the evening. But its benefits go beyond taste. Hibiscus is rich in anthocyanins and polyphenols, plant compounds that researchers have studied for their potential role in supporting healthy blood pressure. A review of multiple clinical trials published in the Journal of Nutrition found that hibiscus tea consumption was associated with modest reductions in both systolic and diastolic blood pressure among participants. In terms of composition, a typical 8-ounce cup of brewed hibiscus tea contains almost no calories on its own, less than 10, assuming no sweetener is added. It is naturally rich in vitamin C, which supports collagen production in vessel walls, and contains a notable concentration of anthocyanins and polyphenols, compounds that may help relax blood vessels similarly to a natural ACE inhibitor. Hibiscus also contains small amounts of calcium and iron, though tea is not typically considered a significant source of either. To prepare hibiscus tea for the evening, steep dried hibiscus flowers or a tea bag in hot water for about 5 minutes. Since hibiscus tea does not contain caffeine, it is naturally suited for nighttime drinking. Some people enjoy it with a small amount of honey and a slice of lemon. Number 4, warm turmeric and ginger milk. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound studied extensively for its potential anti-inflammatory properties. Since chronic inflammation is one of the contributing factors researchers link to artery stiffening over time, ingredients that may help support a healthy inflammatory response are worth including in an evening routine. Looking at the nutrition breakdown, 1 cup of milk, dairy, or a fortified plant-based alternative generally provides around 80 to 150 calories depending on the type used, along with calcium and vitamin D, which support overall cardiovascular tissue health, and roughly 8 grams of protein. Half a teaspoon of turmeric adds close to 100 milligrams of curcumin, a compound studied for its potential to support a healthy inflammatory response in blood vessels. Black pepper contributes piperine, which research suggests may increase curcumin absorption by a significant margin, meaning more of that anti-inflammatory support may actually reach your bloodstream. A study published in the journal Nutrients highlighted curcumin's potential role in supporting healthy blood vessel function, particularly when paired with black pepper, which contains piperine, a compound that may help the body absorb curcumin more effectively. To prepare warm turmeric milk, gently heat 1 cup of milk, or a plant-based milk alternative, with half a teaspoon of turmeric, a small piece of grated ginger, and a pinch of black pepper. Number 5, pomegranate juice. Pomegranate juice has one of the highest antioxidant concentrations of any commonly available fruit juice, and researchers have taken particular interest in its potential cardiovascular benefits. A study published in the journal Atherosclerosis found that regular pomegranate juice consumption was associated with a reduction in arterial plaque thickness among participants over time. Researchers attributed this to the juice's high polyphenol content, which may help protect blood vessels from oxidative stress. Oxidative stress is one of the mechanisms researchers believe contributes to the hardening and narrowing of arteries over time. By potentially reducing this oxidative damage, pomegranate juice may support long-term vascular flexibility. A 6-ounce serving of pomegranate juice typically contains around 110 to 130 calories and about 25 to 30 grams of natural sugar. So portion control matters here more than with some of the other drinks on this list. It provides vitamin C, which protects artery walls from oxidative stress, vitamin K, which supports healthy blood vessel calcium regulation, and potassium, which helps manage healthy blood pressure. To prepare this drink, pour 4 to 6 ounces of 100% pomegranate juice, with no added sugar, into a glass. Some people prefer diluting it slightly with water in the evening to reduce natural sugar intake while still enjoying the benefits. Chamomile and hawthorn tea. Chamomile has been studied for its mild, calming properties, which may support more restful sleep. Better sleep, as we mentioned earlier, gives your cardiovascular system more time to rest and regulate blood pressure naturally overnight. Hawthorn, on the other hand, has drawn interest from cardiovascular researchers for decades. Some studies, including research published in the Cochrane database of systematic reviews, have examined hawthorn's potential role in supporting healthy heart function and circulation, particularly among older adults. Nutritionally, this tea is essentially calorie-free, under 5 calories per cup, making it one of the lightest options on this list. Chamomile contains apigenin, a compound studied for its calming properties that may support the deeper sleep your arteries need to rest and recover overnight. Hawthorn berries are rich in oligomeric procyanidins and flavonoids, compounds researchers have studied for their potential to support healthy blood vessel tone and steady circulation, particularly among older adults. To prepare this tea, steep 1 chamomile tea bag together with dried hawthorn berries or a hawthorn tea bag in hot water for about 7 minutes. This tea is naturally caffeine-free and has a mild, slightly floral, slightly tart flavor. Warm lemon and garlic water. The last drink on our list is simple, inexpensive, and backed by some of the longest-standing research on this entire list. Garlic has been studied for decades for its potential cardiovascular benefits. Research published in the journal Experimental and Therapeutic Medicine found that garlic compounds, particularly allicin, may support healthy blood pressure and may help support healthy cholesterol levels already within a normal range. Lemon, meanwhile, is rich in vitamin C, an antioxidant that supports the health of blood vessel walls, called the endothelium. A healthy endothelium is essential for proper nitric oxide production, connecting this drink back to the same vascular pathway we discussed with beetroot earlier in this video. To prepare this drink, gently warm 1 cup of water, add the juice of half a lemon and 1 small crushed garlic clove. Let it steep for a few minutes before drinking. This drink is best enjoyed about 1 to 2 hours before bed, giving your digestive system time to settle before sleep. This drink is almost entirely calorie-free, generally under 15 calories per serving. Half a lemon provides close to 15 to 20 milligrams of vitamin C, which supports the strength and flexibility of your endothelium, the inner lining of every artery, along with potassium, which helps regulate healthy blood pressure. 1 clove of garlic contains allicin, which forms when garlic is crushed or chopped, and is the main compound researchers linked to healthy blood pressure and cholesterol support, along with trace amounts of manganese and vitamin B6, which support normal circulatory function. Crushing the garlic and letting it sit for a few minutes before adding it to warm water is a small step that may help preserve more of that allicin content. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more evidence-based content on heart health after 50. And if you have tried any of these drinks before, let us know in the comments which one worked best for you. Thank you for watching, and here's to healthier arteries and better sleep, 1 night at a time.